Stop. If you think investing in the stock market is risky, you're probably making a bigger mistake by not investing at all. Because while you're waiting, your money is losing value every single day. In this video, I'll show you exactly how beginners invest in the S&P 500, step by step, in the simplest way possible. Welcome to Future Funded. Now first, what is the S&P 500? It's not a stock, it's not a company. It's basically a collection of the 500 biggest companies in the US. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon. So when you invest in the S&P 500, you're not betting on one company. You're investing in the entire US economy. And that's why beginners choose it, because instead of guessing winners, you own everything. Now here's the real question. How do you actually invest in it? You don't buy the S&P 500 directly. You invest through something called an index fund, or ETF. The most popular ones are S&P 500 ETFs, S&P 500 index funds. These funds simply track the performance of the S&P 500, no complexity. Now, step by step, this is what you do. Step 1, open a brokerage account. Apps like Robinhood or Webull make it very easy. Step 2, deposit your money. Even $100 is enough to start. Step 3, search for an S&P 500 ETF. For example, SPY, VOO, IVV. Step 4, buy it. That's it. You're now invested in the top 500 companies in the US. Simple. But here's where most beginners mess up. They try to time the market. They wait for the perfect moment. They panic when prices go down. And because of that, they never stay invested long enough to see real results. So instead of doing that, do this. Invest consistently, even small amounts, every month. Because the real power of the S&P 500 is not speed, it's time. Over the long term, it has historically grown steadily, not overnight, but reliably. Now, one more thing you need to understand. This is not a get-rich-quick strategy. If you're looking for fast money, this is not it. But if you want something simple, something proven, something beginner-friendly, this is one of the safest ways to start. So don't overcomplicate it. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start small, stay consistent, and let time do the work. And if you want more simple, no BS investing guides like this, subscribe to Future Funded, because this is just the beginning.